Hey y'all, how you doing? It's Becca. You know what? My mom had gotten some Cinnamon Toast Crunch, some cereal for my nephew when he's here. He's gonna be here for like a little over a week, visiting. He hasn't been here, and I haven't really been able to spend time with him in years, really. Anyways, since he's a teenager. But now he's a grown man. Anyways, I'm having Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And so, do you like Cinnamon Toast Crunch? What is your favorite cereal? You tell me. I miss that. I like the cinnamon taste too. I love cinnamon pie and pumpkin. Spit cinnamon pumpkin latte. Okay, anyways, off track, sorry. My favorites are Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Life, Cinnamon Life, Fruit Loops, Kicks, Cocoa Puffs, and that's it. And cereal. It's a little sunny out. It's kind of cold. But anyways, do you like my mallet? Does that remind you of Alfalfa? Alfalfa! How you doing, honey? Anyways. What else? Now, hot cereals. I do like grits and what they call mush, and oatmeal. I like all those. Let's see. Things like that. What do you like? Do you like oatmeal or whatever? Hot cereals. Anyways, let's see. Do you like my shirt? This one says, "They never suspect." The cute one. It says that. I thought that was cute. My mom bought it for me for, I think, Christmas at one time. One Christmas. I don't know when. It was a few years ago. Alright. He's at the door. Yeah. I have to get Cookie in. Hold on for 1 second. No, I can't get Cookie. I can't even get Cookie because my mama has that blue thing in the way. I can't get anyone in or out. So she's going to have to wait until my mom gets home. My mom's off work today. So, and she should be on her way now with Gabriel. It's going to take about 3 hours. So. Because it's an hour and a half. Either way. I don't know. No, spit. I'm sorry. Anyways. Today's Monday, right? Is it Monday? I don't know. Who are you doing? Hold on, everybody. Oh, she's just... Never mind. She's alright. I'm telling you, these cats are funny. Cookie, you're so cute. I wish I could get over there and get you. I have to temporarily move the table. I just don't want to do that and break it or hurt it because the sister gave it to us. We didn't have a proper table. And I missed kind of eating dinner with the family, so... She's so cute. Look at it. Did I ever show you a cookie? Did I? I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. She's one of our black and white ones. She's really cute. I love her. And I don't know. Shit. I would put this on pause, but TikTok has been deleting my videos. And then I'm having to start over. And I really don't want to keep filling my stuff with cereal. And eat all the cereal just to film a video. Like, no thank you. No ma'am. No ma'am. Ain't gonna do that. It is getting colder. And so that means, by the grace of God, the gnats are going to be under control. Oh, this is good. Oh, let's see. While he's here, I have to clean some stuff. Oh, itty bitty one's in. Damn. I don't want to let her in here while my mom and everybody's gone. Oh, poor baby. She's at the door. And I don't want to put her up. That thing. Oh, damn. After I do my cereal, I will see if there's food and water in that thing. And I'll put it in there. I don't know what I should do. Maybe I should text my mom first. I don't want to do anything stupid. You know what you could do with the leftover milk? When you make your coffee, you can use the milk and everything. It will taste just like Cinnamon Toast Crunch coffee. Try that. See if it works. I'm going to try that too. Let's see how good it works, okay? That was actually good. Let's fix some coffee together. Let's try this shit. I really want to let her in, damn it. But, I will in just a minute. Oh, Gretchen, honey, I was just about to run you over. Are you kidding me, girlfriend? Are you joking with me? Excuse me. If only. Gotta get a shortcut like this. Okay. We don't have enough water. Damn it. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna drink it. Oh, that tasted so good. So good. Excuse me. Well, we'll just turn it over like that. So when I'm ready to fill it up and get myself a hot cup of coffee, another one, I will. Did I have a cup of coffee today yet? I don't know if I did. I don't remember. I actually don't remember. Okay, anyways, thank you for eating breakfast with me and chatting with me. Comment down below everything that I asked. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification, ring that notification bell, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.